National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in southeastern Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, southeastern Franklin County in south central Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south central Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois, central Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Parkersburg to 10 miles northwest of Crossville to near Hurst, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Isolated power outages have been reported from these storms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Heron, Harrisburg, Princeton, West Frankfort, Mount Carmel, Mount Vernon, Carterville, Carmi, El Dorado, Johnston City, McLeansboro, Albion, Grayville, Lancaster, Owensville, Norris City, Craneville, Cambria, and Energy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Franklin, Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, Wabash, White, and Williamson, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson and Posey. Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast, severe thunderstorm watch 416 in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds around 10 miles per hour. Saturday, partly